You can have the perfect trade sitting right in front of you, the cleanest chart, perfect timing, but if your laptop is choking during a market spike, none of it matters. I see it every day, guys dropping tens of thousands of dollars into the market, but they're executing trades on a $700 laptop that can barely open Chrome and Thinkorswim at the same time. It's the equivalent of running a race in flip-flops. You'll finish maybe, but your time will suck and you'll be apologizing to your legs. Look, here's the truth. 99% of the laptops out there are not built for trading. They're made for college kids doing word processing and messing around on Facebook. Not for us traders running 6 charts, 3 data streams, a news stream, an order window, all at the same time. But this year has changed everything, and I'm about to show you the 3 Powerhouse laptops that are absolutely the best for traders, and I'm going to explain the real science behind what makes them special. So let's get started by talking about something called the CPU benchmark score, because this number is the single most misunderstood metric in trading hardware. That score is not just a geek stat. It's the horsepower rating for your trading engine, the processor. And the higher that score, the faster your system can process live market data, redraw charts, run scanners, and execute trades all simultaneously in real time. And if your CPU benchmark score on your laptop is under 45,000, you're basically showing up to the Indianapolis 500 in a Toyota Prius. Your system will lag when the volatility spikes, your charts will freeze, and your fills will suffer, costing you real money. By the way, if you want to check your laptop's benchmark score right now, here is how you do it. So here is how you figure out your computer's benchmark score. The very first step is that we need to know exactly what processor is in your computer. And that's very simple to do. So in your Windows-based computer, click the Start button and start typing device specifications. You will see it will auto-populate. Just go ahead and click device specifications. A box will come up. It says system and about. What you want to do, just make sure it's scrolled all the way to the top. And here you will see information about your computer. So what we want to do is look for our processor. And in this case, I have the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D 16-core processor at 4.3 gigahertz. Jot that down. That is a very important piece here because knowing exactly what processor we have will tell us exactly what our benchmark score is. You also might want to jot down how much RAM you have as well while you're on this page. So 90% of the processors are either going to be AMD or Intel. It is possible you have another brand, but it doesn't really matter. Our database of processors should cover just about all manufacturers. So once you've written that down, go ahead and click the link that is in the description under this video. The link is eztrading.pro/CPU. And you can wait till this video is over before you do that. But the link is right underneath this video in the description. Once you click that link, you're going to get to this page right here. You don't have to watch this video. I'm explaining this to you right now. Go ahead and scroll down. Click the Windows icon right underneath the Windows icon, Get Started. That'll take you to this page. And underneath this video is a box, and it says Search CPU. In that box, you want to start typing the processor you just wrote down. AMD Ryzen 9. Notice it starts to auto-populate. 9950. And look, here is my processor right here. X3D. I click to fill in the processor. Then I'll click Next Step. And on the very next page, it's giving me my benchmark score, 70,598. And that is how you find your computer's benchmark score. Now let's get into the good stuff. The Elite 3 laptops built specifically for traders in 2025. Number 1, the 16-inch Voyager Easy Laptop. This machine is pure muscle. It's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX that just came out, and its benchmark score comes in at an insane 57,107. That's desktop level power in a portable setup. And when you pair that processor with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card, which is fully AI trading ready, you've got a trading station that can handle multiple feeds, multiple chart windows, heavy analytics, and zero, this is the most important thing, zero lag. We're talking about instant platform launches, smooth executions, and no not responding messages mid-trade. You get 32 gigabytes of RAM pre-installed, a lightning-fast NVMe SSD that boots that laptop in under 20 seconds. Plus you get extras like a wireless mouse and a laptop carrying case. This laptop is ultra portable at only 4.8 pounds. Laptop number 2, the 17.3-inch TrendForcer Easy Laptop. Need more screen real estate? This one is your command center. It's got that same Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor. It's got that same Montrose benchmark score over 57,000, and it's got that RTX 5060 graphics card. But that extra screen space lets you see everything, multiple positions, indicators, and strategies without tab flipping like a madman. It's perfect for traders who live in the heat of the moment, scalpers, intraday players, and anyone who values visibility over portability. Number 3, and this one is the absolute crown jewel. It's the 18-inch Odyssey Easy Laptop. Now this thing is a beast. This is where power meets dominance. It's running the brand new AMD Ryzen 9 9955HX. And this thing obliterates the field with a benchmark score of 58,444. It's supercar level performance for traders. That huge 18-inch display gives you total control of multiple platforms, dozens of tickers, deep level analysis all in one. And when you combine that with the RTX 5060, this setup isn't just fast, it is future-proof. With the Odyssey, you're ready for the AI-powered trading revolution that's coming fast. AI pattern recognition, machine learning scanners, AI predictive analytics. This laptop eats it all for breakfast. Here is why these laptops crush everything else. These machines are optimized for trading. The CPUs chew through real-time market data. The graphics cards handle chart rendering and AI computation, as well as multiple monitors. You have the latest in storage drives. These NVMe drives boot instantly. Your trading platforms will launch instantly, and they come with a massive amount of RAM that ensures zero slowdowns when the markets go crazy. Most traders don't realize it, but that laptop is your trading edge. Every quote, every tick, every execution depends on that CPU speed. Buying a weak laptop is like fueling a Ferrari with lawnmower gas. You're sabotaging your own performance. Why do you want a laptop from Easy Trading Computers? Well, we're not some random computer brand that sells to gamers and to college kids. We only build systems for traders, period. And here's the most important thing. You get lifetime tech support from a team that actually speaks your language. When you call, you're not talking to some offshore rep who's reading a script. You're talking to a person who understands trading, who understands slippage, who understands latency, and who understands the importance of execution speed. That's the difference between an ordinary laptop and an Easy Trading computer built to make you money, not cost you trades. The only question is which of these 3 trading weapons fits your style. If you want power and portability, go with the 16-inch Voyager. If you want the sweet spot, go TrendForcer. If you want total domination, go with the Odyssey. If you're truly ready to upgrade the laptop that you trade on, check out the links under this video. I've put all 3 of these models on sale just for a limited time, just for you. You'll thank yourself the first time your charts load instantly during a market spike. This is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. And don't, why haven't you subscribed yet? Slam that subscribe button right now. Go ahead and check out those machines we have on sale for you. Go ahead and check out your benchmark score. Watch that part of the video again. And there's a link below to where you can test your laptop's benchmark score. And as I always say, may the trend be with you. And you definitely want to watch this video next.